Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing some of the technology updates. If you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. So the first update, Vivo X200 Pro Mini launch timeline, specification and features. Google Pixel 9a spotted on certification site. Model number Android version revealed. Threads update adds media tab for photos, videos and photo tagging feature. Indian Railways launches SWA Rail Super App for ticket booking and other integrated services. Apple will reportedly launch new iCloud-based confetti service for event invites this week. Poco F7 global variant spotted on ECC certification site. iQOO Neo 10R confirmed to launch in ragging blue shade. iQOO Neo 10R will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 chipset. Technopova 7 series design shows triple rear camera setup. Could launch soon. Xiaomi 15 Ultra launch date leaks alongside hands-on video showcasing familiar design. Lenskart phonic smart glasses with Bluetooth audio voice assistant support launched. Realme P3 5G series launch confirmed. P3 Pro 5G to offer GT Boost gaming technology. Samsung's trifold phone name leak online tip to for January 2026 launch. Vivo V50 poster suggests February 18 launch date. Vivo V50 is expected to debut as a modified version of Vivo S20. Poco F7 global variant spotted on certification site. Poco F7 is expected to ship with Android 15 based HyperOS 2.0. Xiaomi 15 Ultra launch date leaks alongside hands-on video showcasing familiar design. Honor X9C launch teased, Amazon availability confirmed. Noise Master Buds pre-booking in India will begin February 11, Amazon availability confirmed. Noise Master Buds is teased to come with Bose backend sound. Realme GT7 listed on Geekbench with a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, 16GB RAM. Nike unveils Air Max DNA featuring dynamic air technology with dual pressure air units for improved motion. Apple Intelligence will support more languages in April. Realme P3 5G series launch confirmed. P3 Pro 5G to offer GT Boost gaming technology. Microsoft Paint gets a new Copilot menu. Windows search expanded to support OneDrive files. So these are some of the technology updates, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.